you guys, welcome back to my channel.
Drop it.
So, ngasigi video dahil na say I will be trying life hacks, clothing hacks. Hoy, clothing hacks na try say. Aduga haidi hojiki life hacks singdo oithokpa ai natraga oithokpa ya de habdo pulap yengthokmina je khara pulap tawdraga su khara mari ahum mari manga tawmina se adu video do hana yengaga aina regret tawdoine adu video do yengnabai tamangta aina Martina gi phone aina use tawrni madi video de yaure madi school chakre do na ma school chatringa aina my phone piramon aina monda pihalambane du my phone dagi video do yengaga aina hacks sing do try tawrni aina traka yade ando ya video yengase ado video yengbaze aingonda gi hotspot thado aga mangonda samaga yengani hadi aina yengthopiradi nuaite so aina hotspot thare duga samaga hojik video do yengminarse. Let's watch 8 brilliant clothes hacks for girls DIY ideas.
Nothing is worse than waiting too long to catch up with one of your best friends, except embarrassing yourself with sweaty, yellow pit stains. Yikes! Take a regular shawl or pashmina and put it over your head. With both hands, pull both corners under your arms and in front of your chest. Tie them together in a knot, like so. Now here's the fun part. Take this knot and slide it over your head. Check it out! You've got a new funky vest to hide those unsightly pit stains. Take that, summer weather!
See, try to first live say playback speed say kitang slow da yengje mataw hadi tamnaba.
Take a regular shawl or pashmina and put it over your head. With both hands, pull both corners under your arms and in front of your chest. Tie them together in a knot, like so. Now here's the fun part. Take this knot and slide it over your head. Check it out.
Hacks I'll give 6 out of 10 because
You've been looking forward to this party for weeks. Oh, hey girl. Wait a minute. She stole my look. Lucky for you, you have a creative mind to back you up. Slide that skirt up over your chest. Snag a belt, thin or thick, and cinch it to accentuate your waistline. Top it off with a cute denim jacket and voila! You've got an adorable party dress that no one else will have. Go on, give us a twirl. You know you want to.
Okay, so lie. Let me try to
See, no need to fight. Here's to creativity. Cheers!
Okay, try to I skirt asang here. So I have this black maybe Siki skirt se sang si tawraga try tawr se manung vacuum set tabel set tabel ngai ro ado bell di ai bell machado like treva aduna bag ki mari zo sisinarage asise me ai sa jacket ama lithalani so for these hacks it turned out looking really good, so I know 10 purely 10 out of 10. Okay, next.
Ever wake up like this? Oversleeping is the worst. Will you have time to get ready? Time to turn those PJs into a look. Slip the pants off and put both legs into one side. Now pull them up over your chest. Take the unused pant leg, scrunch it up, and slide your head through. Whoa, super stylish for PJs, that's for sure. Ha, sucker. Add a cute pair of heels and a bag and you're all set. And the best dressed award goes to...
Okay, for this khongaw pajamas ka oversized oiba natari yado mande natragana stretchy oiba, so it's choba haiga di si tare sisina chawa engonda selo budi dum yai ba si kisalaga do chaw bune do si selaga sina try tawage sida ye ji khan ya tak tentunya lah. Swai jaga se di hazare dum yare adi figure su tahalle ba figure su dum tahalle ba swai jaga se napani na ponche duga print su dum hazabne duna it's dope, but this area is so frustrating. Tower su khara setcha ba yaram ba khongaw je set pa yaroi dum setcha le men na I'll change it and let's get on to the next. I mention to ba ka me haziki kimangi do I'll give an 8 haidi mathak jaga do phajate ba chatpa du su nongai te ba ai gisna stretchy oi da ba di khangde. Okay, I'll give that 8.
We have plans, remember? Get it together, Helly. Save time by wearing your oversized t-shirt in a new way. Slide your arms through the neck and down to your waist. Now tuck those pesky armholes in. Well, what do you know? Cute pockets.
Oof. Oversized
Seriously,
t-shirt.
easiest outfit change ever, right? Let's go.
Tap the notification bell to know.
Okay, haziki do try to wear a oversized skirt and natin oversized t-shirt. Ay bring gi duga try to wear ga yeng se black amadi layer me blacky print amadi layer me si set laga yeng ase. Okay, this fits perfectly. Like someday lawani na chap chai do moi si se na pocket sa bane ko hapchal laga. ꯐꯖꯩꯌꯦ ꯀꯦꯃꯦꯔꯥꯗ ꯎꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯇꯥꯏꯌꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯤꯒꯔ ꯇꯥꯕꯩ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯅ I'll give this 9 out of 10 ꯑꯩ 10 ꯃꯛꯇꯤ ꯄꯤꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ because pocketꯁꯦ ꯍꯣꯏꯌꯦ ꯇꯥꯅ another
A nice change of
hex
pace. Oh, who's this? No way. He's picking me up in 5 minutes? Seriously? Oh man, if only I had a fairy godmother to zap me into a fabulous outfit. Well, Vicky, you may be able to pull off your own wardrobe magic tonight. Want to see this plain old sweatshirt turn into date night wear? Put your arms through the neck hole and pull the whole thing down just above your chest. Pull it down so the seam from the cowl neck hits the small of your waist. Instead of leaving the arms awkwardly at your sides, wrap them around and tie them into a pretty bow to make your backside a little more interesting. Don't be afraid to ask a friend to help you out with this part. Wow, Vicky, that's some talent right there. Pull the drawstring all the way out. Take the string and put it through the drawstring hole in the former cowl neck. Stop once it's about halfway through. Finally, tie the ends together behind your neck for a cute halter look. Wow, you just created a new dress in 1 minute. Damn, Vicky, you're looking slammin'. Don't forget to pair your look with a hot pair of heels and some cute earrings to be 100% date ready. Oh, aren't they cute?
ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤꯗꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯦꯛꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯦꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯦꯇꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯆꯧꯕꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯂꯩꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯐꯨꯔꯤꯠ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄꯅ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯑꯣꯚꯔꯁꯥꯏꯖ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯦꯇꯔꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯦꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯣꯚꯔꯁꯥꯏꯖ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯦꯇꯔꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯖꯣꯒꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯊꯥꯏꯅꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯦꯛꯁꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯁꯥꯡꯉꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯦ ꯁꯣ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯀꯤꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯇꯦꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯤꯔꯁꯦ I'll give 10 out of 10 because this turned out looking really good. Haidi adum dress adum male bai haipe yeng kanda maningi slip sinabadi kitang mande tarsu hek yem kanda adum dress ti adum di male aduna I'll give this 10. Okay guys, this is pretty much for today's video and I hope you like this video, and if you really do then please like this video, and if you don't like then please don't do anything, and also subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified every time I post, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye guys.